What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. I want to send an apology out to everybody that I couldn't get the deals out fast enough to you. I bought this for $15 on Cyber Monday, and I cannot believe this thing right now, as we speak, is $50. Wow. That was more than half of the price. I wish I would have bought two of these. Well, let me not wish that yet because we still have to review it. So if I review this and everything works, man, this was a steal, okay? Now if I buy this and if it don't work, then I'm gonna be saying thank goodness this was $15. Obviously, I bought this because it says you can use Alexa in the car. All right, you guys. Now, here we go. All right, this looks like it goes onto your vent. And this is small. This is small, you guys. Like, not even 2.5 inches. Wow. All right, right there goes on your 12-volt outlet. All right, so micro right there. Somebody in the comments actually helped me remember what USB this is called. So this one is the micro right here. What else? What else goodies y'all gonna give us? All right here we have a aux. All right, you guys. Now we're about to have some fun. All right, we have this square recess right here. We got a square right here, so obviously that goes on there. Put the smiley face the right way. Oh, this is magnetic. Okay, I like that. Now this goes onto your vent, in which I think they should have another spot for this, but if you want to put this in another spot, I'm pretty sure you could try to rig up something. All right, and then it shows you the air vents that's kind of messed up, but yeah, maybe they should have showed you this before you buy it, right? Especially if it's $50. All right, you guys, so I just turned on the car and she just said give me a few minutes while I connect. All right, you guys. All right, so I changed my garage door name to the shop. So let's see if she opens it. Alexa, open the shop. And it don't open. Alexa, open the shop.
What's your voice code for shop door? Opening. Hang on.
And she opened it.
Open.
She just said doors open. You heard the ding. The garage door is opening. All right, you guys, so let's see if this works while I'm on the road or something. All right, you guys, so we just drove across the street. We're acting like we're driving from home, and now let's see. Alexa, open the shop. Again, she turns off again. Alexa, open the shop.
What's your voice code for shop door? Opening. Hang on. The shop door is open.
Shop door is opening right now, you guys. I cannot believe this. Alexa is actually in the car. What? Okay, you guys, let me pull in to give y'all my final review. Okay, you guys, so you may ask, is this really worth $50? For me, personally, if it was $50, I would have probably bought it, okay? I'm just letting you know. Now, I believe they can go down to $20 because this is the same as the Echo Dot that's in my house right now. It's just in your car, and it's not like it's standalone or rechargeable or none of that. you still need your aux. So if you have a car with no aux adapter to it or anything, like say my wife didn't have this the take that connector to go into the aux, Alexa won't be able to hear her. That's how Alexa hears you through the speaker system. Okay, this is not speaker on here. So yeah, but if I have to buy another one, I would just stick with this one. I'll let my wife have this in the car until she get tired of it. I can't put this in my my car because my car don't have an aux on it, unfortunately. Oh, you know what? I did put a new system in there, so I might have an aux on there. So I will have to double check that. But if you have no aux on there, it won't work. That's just the way it is. You will definitely need a car with a aux cord on it, or you need a car with Bluetooth. If you have a car with Bluetooth, this does connect Bluetooth. So your car speakers can hear you say, "Hey Alexa." That's the only way she can hear is through your car speakers. Just in case people want to know, these buttons, I'm going to be honest, I didn't even touch these buttons because the whole point of me of getting this is to not touch buttons. Like I said, I don't know what these buttons is for, but I see one that says off on it. Hey Alexa. All right, so that turns Alexa off. Alexa, TV off.
Okay.
All right, so you can actually hit this button to turn the TV off and on. Like I said, I am in the garage, so I actually did this when I was not even close to the house. So this thing actually works, and this is amazing. For me, this is a 4-star. I'm sorry. I know people is saying, "Oh, this thing is terrible" and all that, but if I go through all the questions and answers on this, I might start doing that. I might start doing questions and answers. For my vent, you know, you can go up and down if you need to. This thing weighs nothing. So you can see I put my vent up. Only thing is I can't go left and right when I want to put the vent air this way or put the vent air that way. So when you put it in, just make sure your vent air is going the direction that you want it to go. But as far as going up and down, you can go up and down easy. You guys, so that's the end of this review. I hope you like it. I hope it was very informative. Just let me know any question, comments, concerns. Please leave it in the comment section. And that's it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell because I got more products coming on the way. And I'll catch y'all in the next video.